Imprint. Go to the Home tab, and if you click here, you can see Imprint tool. Same tool, if you go to Solid, and here it is Imprint. Imprint means if you have any 2D sketches, the sketches you can print in your 3D model. I just go to the Home and I just select here dynamic UCS. You can select dynamic UCS, or without using dynamic UCS you need to use this UCS. Now I select this dynamic UCS. If you didn't found this one, just go here, switch on dynamic UCS. Now I just go to the circle tool and I just go near to this area and I click this point and I made a circle like this. This circle I am going to print in this 3D model using Imprint. Just go to the Imprint and select the 3D model first and select object to imprint. I select this object, and if you need this circle again, you just simply click no, or if you give an yes, the circle will delete, but the printed object you can see in your 3D model. Now if you select this model, you can see the printed area, or if you go to 2D wireframe, you can see the printed area.